Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful cell phone case using this stitch. And I've added the snap and got the phone inside. So it's a very simple pattern. I've used this 3.5mm hook and this cotton yarn. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need to start with any number of chains that fits the width of your phone, and then I'm going to do chain 1. So I've actually done 14 chains and then adding an extra one, so it's going to be 15 chains. And then I'm going to skip the first one, go into the second and do a single crochet and do one single crochet in each of the chains until the last one. And into the last chain I'm going to do 3 single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and then I'm going to work on the back of the chains. So I'm going to go into the next and do single crochet in each. So 1 and continue. And now I'm back to the first single crochet, the first chain here, and I'm going to do 2 more into the same, which is here the last one. So 1 and 2. So I have now 3 into this side and 3 on the other. So, and now I'm going to slip stitch to the first single crochet. So go into the first one and slip stitch. And the second round would be chain 1 and do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. So you're going to start with the same one. After the chain 1, go into the same single crochet and then single crochet in each. And to finish the second round, I'm going to slip stitch to the first single crochet, slip stitch, and that's it. And now the actual stitch. So I'm going to do a chain 1 and then go into the next stitch. So I'm going to skip this first one and then go into the second one and do a single crochet into the second one. And then what I'm going to do a half double crochet into the first one, the one that I've skipped. So I'm going to go into that one and do a half double crochet. So yarn over and go like this into the one that you skipped, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, and then do your half double crochet. And now what I'm going to do is skip the next stitch, which is this one, not this one, because this is the one where we did the first single crochet, so don't mess up. So you're going to skip this one, go into the next and do again a single crochet, and the one that you skipped, so if you pull you can see the stitch which is here. I'm going to do half double crochet into that one. And continue like this. So skip next stitch, which is this one, not this one but this one, and go into the next and do a single crochet and then 1 half double crochet into the one that you skipped. And this is the pattern for the whole case. So what I'm going to do is skip one, go into the next, single crochet and go backward and do the half double crochet. That's it. You can see the pattern. So I'm going to continue like this for the whole round. And to finish the round, you need to slip stitch to the first single crochet, which is this one, and then repeat the same pattern. So chain 1 and skip the first stitch, so the chain 1 stitch, and then go into the next and do a single crochet, and then we're going to do a half double crochet into the one we skipped. So like this, go back and do the half double crochet, and then skip the next stitch, go into the next one and do single crochet, and then do half double crochet in the one you skipped, and it's exactly the same. You're going to repeat this pattern. So this is how it looks. After the first 2 rounds of single crochet, I've done another 18 rounds of this stitch, and to finish off I'm going to do 1 round of single crochet. So it's going to be single crochet in each of the stitches. I'm going to do a chain 1 and go into the next stitch and do single crochet, and continue doing 1 single crochet in each. And I'm gonna slip stitch to the chain 1. So go into the chain and slip stitch, so you can secure now. And for the last bit, from the fasten off point, you're gonna count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here I'm gonna join the yarn. So I've done a slip knot and I'm gonna join. So chain 1 to secure it, and then I'm going to do a single crochet into the same. So this is the first single crochet, and then I'm going to do 5 more single crochet. So go into the next. So this is the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So 6 is single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work and do 1 single crochet in each. So I'm going to again have 6 single crochet. So I'm going to start from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then I'm going to continue like this. So chain 1, turn your work and do 6 single crochet. I've done a total of 9 rounds of single crochet, and now I'm going to do chain 1, turn the work, and then skip the first stitch and go into the second one and do a single crochet, and then I'm going to do single crochet next 2, so 1 and 2, and then I'm going to do 2 single crochet together. So going into the next one, yarn over and come back. I'm going to have 2 loops, and then go into the last stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and go through all 3. That's it. So now I've got 4 stitches, and I'm going to do chain 1, turn the work and go into the second one. So skip first one, go into the second one, do a single crochet, and then to finish off I'm going to do 2 single crochet together. So I've got 2 loops now, and go into the last one, and I've got 3 loops, and go through all 3 loops, and that's it. And then I'm gonna chain 1 and secure it. So that's it. And then you can weave the in. And now it's time for the snap. So here it is. So what I'm gonna do is place first here on the flap, send it to okay, that's done. And then place these metal bits, and then you need to, so I'm doing with the hands, which is tough, and that's done. And now the second bit, to make sure I'm not making mistakes, I'm gonna put the phone in and then do the measurement. So should be here. So this one would be visible, and you'll need to put something on top of it. For example, you can do any applique you want, a flower, a heart, anything, and just pop on top of it. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you, bye.